New money, suit and tie. I can read you like a magazine. Ain't it funny? Rumors lie, and I know you've heard about me. So hey, let's be friends. I'm dying to see how this one ends. Got the passport in my hand. I can make the bad guys good, and I'll write your name. We'll take this way too far. It'll leave you breathless, or with a nasty scar. Got a long list of ex-lovers. They'll tell you I'm insane, but I got a blank space, baby, and I'll write your name.